Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the case law Mrs. Neva Plantation Private Limited vs. CCST. The judgment was given by the Appellate Authority GST, Himachal Pradesh. The entire case law has been divided into 6 parts: facts of the case, appellant contentions, respondent contentions, provisions, judgments, and conclusions. Coming to the facts of the case, the appellant is engaged in the plantation business, which is exempted under GST. Even though it is exempted under GST, he has obtained registration under GST. The appellant had sent a mission called autoclave for repairs to its suppliers under delivered challan. On the delivered challan, he has specifically mentioned that the transportation of goods is not for the purpose of sale and it's for the purpose of repairs. Along with the delivered challan, he also attached a certificate certifying that faulty autoclave machine which is sent to below address is for repairs. This machine is not for sale, along with the purchase invoice of such machinery. During the transit, the vehicle was intercepted with the proper officer due to non-availability of e-way bill. Thereafter, a penalty under Section 129 along with the applicable taxes has been proposed and confirmed. The valuation for the purpose of penalty and the applicable taxes is on the basis of the purchase invoice. Being aggrieved by the order, the appellant had made an appeal before Appellate Authority GST Himachal Pradesh, and the contentions of the appellant are as follows. 1. There is no opportunity of being heard. Number 2. The activity of sending goods for repair is neither covered under Section 7 supply nor under Schedule 1. Thereby, no tax and no penalty on the applicable tax under Section 129 is not leviable. Further, in order to invoke Section 129, the intent to evade payment of tax is a prerequisite that is absent in the present case. Further, the non-generation of e-way bill is only a procedural lapse and thereby there is no loss to the government. In response to the appellant contentions, the respondent had made the following contentions. 1. The e-way bill is required to be generated where there is a movement of goods and the consignment value exceeds 50,000 for any reason other than supply and for the reason of supply. Hence, whether the activity of the appellant is covered under the definition of supply or not is not relevant in the present case. Further, the autoclave machine is not in the e-way bill exempted list. Thereby, the penalty under Section 129 is leviable. Rule 138 of CGST Rules 2017 deals with the e-way bill provisions. According to Rule 138, a e-way bill is required to be generated where there is a movement of goods and the consignment value exceeds 50,000 in relation to supply or for any reason other than supply or due to an inward supply from an unregistered person. Since in the instant case, the movement of goods is for any reason other than supply, the e-way bill is required to be generated. The Appellate Authority GST Himachal Pradesh has delivered the following judgment. 1. There is a violation on the part of the appellant with respect to non-generation of e-way bill. Hence, he is liable to pay a penalty of 10,000 under Section 122. Further, on the part of the department, there is a violation with respect to the method of valuation adopted. The method of valuation for the transaction is not just and proper, as the disputed goods were old and were dispatched for repairs. Hence, the demands and penalties which were confirmed need to be set aside. In case of Sani Heavy Industries India Private Limited and versus State Tax Officer, the facts of the case are also similar to the instant case, and the High Court has given similar judgment.